Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to change your Apple ID password or reset it. There is a great way that allows you to reset your password without even knowing the old one. To do this, you simply open the settings of your device. Next, you click on your iCloud. Now you see the item, Password and Security. You click on that. You wait a couple seconds. Next, you need to click on the button, Change Password. In this window, you need to type in your password for your device. Everyone should know it. Type in your iPhone password. Type it in. And now we can click here and change password. Type in the new password and repeat it, and then click Save. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.